Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to use Adobe Photoshop tutorial 3, saving your Adobe Photoshop project. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application Adobe Photoshop. So we're gonna go all the way down to the dock, go to Photoshop, click on the application. In the previous tutorial I showed you how to create a brand new project. Let's just do that again as a recap. Change the name to photo. Let's keep the resolution 3840 by 2160. Click on OK. Pixels. And so now to save the file, Command S or go to File, go to Save As. Photo.psd. Let's just directly save to the desktop for the moment. And now when we quit Photoshop, we have the file on the desktop, which we can now double click and open up the file for us to work on in the near future if we really need to. And so we can now quit Photoshop again. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.